Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. This is a special video on Fortnite Current Affair, also known as FCA. This is Fortnite 2. Every month we have two Fortnite. The first Fortnite is being released on second Sunday and the second Fortnite is being released on fourth Sunday. Right? So we'll cover 10 most important news that were important for the entire Fortnite. And the coverage of this initiative include three aspects. The first is the Hindu, the other is the Indian Express, and the last is the PIB. So the news that we are going to discuss would be from all these three. So let's get started with today's topic list. So these are the list, basically the 10 news that I'll be discussing with you. You can pause this video, you can read the entire topic. And those of you who are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to press a like button. Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services. This is a video on daily news and editorial analysis, which I'll be covering from the Hindu and Indian Express. So the most important news and editorial would be discussed in this session. So today is 29th of November. The first topic is Center tightened rule for the overseas traveler. This is basically with regards to the new variant, that is Omicron variant that is there. Second, CGI underlined the need for studies on diabetics. Third, India, Bangladesh to deepen the ties as a partners. The second last is panel formed to look into the EPFO functioning. And the last is an editorial, what the Omicron variant meant for India. So this is an editorial. We'll understand this in detail, something which is again very important pertaining to both prelims and mains examination. Apart from this, at the end of this video, there would be some MCQ questions. These questions would be based on current affairs that would help you for the upcoming prelims examination. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to press a like button. So the first news, that is Center tightened rule for overseas traveler. This is regarding the new risk of the mutation, or you can say the variant named as Omicron. This is a variant of concern which was recently announced by the WHO. So this is important for general studies paper 2, government policies, intervention and function. Also, this is important in the same paper where it is like issues related to management of health is concerned. So what is the detail of this news? Recently, the Union Health Ministry has revised the guideline and they have mandated that all international passengers that would be entering to India would have to submit 14-day travel details. So this is a mandatory provisions which is coming to all overseas travelers. And they have to upload their negative RT-PCR test in their report in the Air Suvidha portal before they start their journey, right? So this Air Suvidha portal is again important. This can be a topic for prelims examination. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं, तो आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल पढ़ लें. The new guideline would be coming effective from 1st of December 2021, and the RT-PCR test should be conducted within 72 hours prior of the flight. इससे पहले अगर किसी ने RT-PCR test करवाया है, तो that would be not counted as valid. Right? So these are the revised guidelines in context of the new variant that has emerged. Now post arrival के बाद भी COVID test government ने announce किया as per the health ministry guideline, the traveler from the countries at risk, ऐसे countries जो risk zone में आती हैं, that include the country like UK, South Africa, Brazil, Bangladesh, Botswana, China, Mauritius, New Zealand, Zimbabwe, Singapore, हांगकांग एंड इजराइल. इन कंट्रीज से जितने लोग आ रहे हैं, they would need to take a COVID test post their arrival and they have to wait in airport until the negative result is there, right? And if test is negative, they would have to undergo home quarantine and even 7 days by test the 8 days. And the guideline have also stated that the children under 5 years of age is exempted with pre and post arrival of testing. So child would not be allowed, they would be exempted from the test. Now testing facilities बढ़ाने की बात की गई है. So the central government has asked all the state government to beef up their testing facilities. The health ministry has asked the state government to enhance the testing facilities. In a letter to the disease surveillance network that should be geared up with a rigorous follow-up of the international travelers that is coming to any major airport in our country. Now, it is said that it is imperative and intense contaminated like active surveillance, increased coverage of vaccinations is very appropriate at this point of time. And each and every state is trying their best possible efforts कि जहाँ भी उनके यहाँ से international flight आ रही है वो action ले. Even the state of Maharashtra, the chief minister has a press conference yesterday where they have said that they would be looking into these issues as well. Even the state like Delhi and other major cities have to take some concrete actions. Now, the other news, CGI underlined the need for studies on diabetics, something which is important for General Studies Paper 2, issues related to development and management of it. So, CGI himself, Mr. N.V. Ramana, he has focuses upon the need for the subsidy and help that state can give to the diabetics patients. So, what he has more focuses upon, let's see in detail. So, the Chief Justice of India has recently said that it is essential, ये ज़रूरी है कि हर एक स्टेट सपोर्ट और सब्सिडी दोनों प्रोवाइड करे फॉर द पेशेंट्स हु इज रनिंग विद द डायबिटिक्स, राइट? Because it has the immense human cost and it can be an expensive disease which lasts for a longer duration. So this was a concern basically raised by the CGI. Terming diabetics as a lifelong disease and an enemy for poor, the CGI said that it is imperative to conduct एंड इंडियन स्पेसिफिक स्टडीज और यू कैन से सर्वे जहाँ पे ये पता चले कि लोकल पॉपुलेशंस में कितनी इसकी इम्पैक्ट है, क्या क्या इसके रिपरकशंस हैं उनके लाइवलीहुड में, उनके इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट में, उनको किस तरह से जो पुअर्स लोग हैं दे आर नॉट इवन एबल टू टैकल दिस डिजीज फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन, राइट? So a well-developed appropriate treatment protocol is also essential. So the CGI has pitched that both the center and the state should come up with support and subsidies. Now, what more has come from CGI? He said that the diabetics has been around for ages and it took COVID pandemic to reveal the deadly impacts of the COVID-19 because जो कोमॉर्बिड कैटेगरीज के लोग थे वैसे पेशेंट्स दोज हु ऑलरेडी सब खास करके डायबिटिक्स की बात करें उन लोगों की काफ़ी डेथ हुई बिकॉज दे वर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप एंड फाइट विद द वायरस ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ द एक्सेस ऑफ अफोर्डेबल हेल्थ केयर. हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में अभी भी अफोर्डेबल हेल्थ केयर नहीं है. मेनी ऑफ द पीपल हैज़ टू हैव द आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंसेस. ओपी काफ़ी हाई है हेल्थ केयर में. द रीज़न बीइंग देयर शुड बी एन अवेयरनेस एंड द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट शुड एड support the person who is from the diabetic group. But the reality is that these diseases affect people across the classes and new age group is also the part of this. So I will show you a graph that will help you understand about how the risk and the countries with the diabetic patients. So पूरे world में अगर बात करें, China is among the top country with the diabetic patients, followed by India. Then we have United States, which is almost half the number of India. In Pakistan and Brazil, right? So this is adult diabetic patients per million data. If you talk about the health risk, particular age group की अगर बात करें, even male female की बात करें gender wise, so this is for the age group of 50 to 59. The highest we can say among the male and female can be seen in 70 to 79, right? और all age group में बात करें तो ये data है. Right, so this data is from the National Diabetics and Diabetic Renotherapy Survey 2019. Now the other news, India Bangladesh to deepen their ties at partnership, something which is important for General Studies Paper 2, India and its neighborhood relation. So India and Bangladesh CEO Forum will meet very soon. And this is for the first time that the two countries would be looking into finalizing the CEP, जिसको केपा कहते हैं, and the full form is Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement. This is something which is very important for your mains examination as well, because Sri Lanka के साथ हमारी relations, even if you talk about Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, these two countries are very important. So here we are discussing about Bangladesh, which is again an important neighborhood for India. So to deepen the trade and economic ties, the partnership it should be a partnership rather than it should be a competitor. This is what the government has to say. Now, Bangladesh has transitions from a less developed countries to a developing nation status. ये काफ़ी अच्छी बात है कि बांग्लादेश ने अपने जो उनकी status थी less developed country की, they have improved into developing nations. And textile is one of the major industries that is operating in Bangladesh. Other important engagement की अगर बात करें, in Bangladesh, the supply chains have worked uninterruptedly through the pandemic. We have seen that the trade taking place, improving the connectivity. Government of India has focuses upon that connectivity improve करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. This is imperative for expanding and realizing the potential of bilateral trade as well as investment between India and Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is India's biggest trade partner in South Asia in terms of volume that amounts for $10 billion. And India has sent over almost 1 crore of the COVID-19 vaccine as a goodwill gestures that we have extended the concession credit line about 8 billion. This is highest for any single country, right? That was given by India. Now, India is looking forward to hold the first meeting of Indo-Bangladesh GEO Forum to promote a mutual investment, right? तो ये जो bilateral textile industries हैं forum, that will also be constituted to facilitate the cooperation in the textile sector. जो बांग्लादेश की textile sector है वो काफ़ी अच्छी flourish है, advanced है. Most people find the textile sector survival and reliable, right? And India is also developing two economic zone at Marshai and Mangola in the particular region. कुछ फोकस एरिया रखे गए. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज आइडेंटिफाइड 5 फोकस एरिया टू स्ट्रेंथन द बायलैटरल एंड इकोनॉमिक टाइज. और ये कुछ एरियाज होंगे टेक्नोलॉजी फर्स्ट, देन कनेक्टिविटी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, हेल्थ एंड टूरिज्म. सो इफ यू राइटिंग इन मेंस पेपर, मेक श्योर आप ये सारे 5 पॉइंट्स वहाँ पे मेंशन कर रहे हैं. Now, panel formed to look into EPFO functioning. This is again important for General Studies Paper 2, Government Policies and Intervention for the Development of Various Sectors. So recently, the Union Ministry of Employment and basically Labor and Employment, they have come up with an ad hoc 4-level committee that will be looking into the functional and aspects of Employment Provident Fund organizations. So Ministry of Labor and Employment has approved the formation of this panel, and all the committees have been notified on 27th of November. That would be granted a 3 months term. Sorry, this is 3 months term that would be provided, and within this time frame they have to submit their results. Now the Labor Secretary has been tasked with steering 2 committee with the pension reform and IT and communications. कुछ और जो committees हैं उनके बारे में भी terms of reference बनाई गई है, जहां 8-member panel would be looking into reform and they have to submit their matter related to the pensions reform and universalizations of social security. 4 labor code जो गवर्नमेंट लेकर के आई है, उसके बाद ये सारी चीजें काफी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं. Now the Minister of State and Employment has been appointed as a chair for 2 other committees. One of them pertained to EPFO internal human resource and establishment matter. तो जितने भी human resource के मैटर है, establishments के मैटर हैं, recruitments के मैटर हैं, उन लेवल पे Ministry of State, जो Minister of State है, he would be looking into him personally. And the proceeding of the Human Resource Committee would be closely watched after the hasty appointment and transfer that almost 120 senior officers were done already in July this year. Now the other news, this is editorial. What the Omicron variant meant for India, something which is important for General Studies Paper 2, issues related to development and management of health. So under this editorial, there are 5 important subheads that I'll be discussing with you. First is regarding the present situation, what is ongoing. Second is WHO stand, addressing the variant. Uske baad promoting the vaccinations and conclusion. And the entire editorial talks about, focuses upon COVID-19 Omicron variant is a variant of concern. So the continued decline of the COVID-19 cases that we have seen in India after the second wave, we have seen that जो cases है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा decline हो रही है, which has led to a bit of hope that the situation is coming to normalcy, right? एक normalcy की तरफ आगे बढ़ रही है इंडिया, economic revive हो रही है, बहुत सारे sectors में कुछ जहाँ negative की performance थी, now this sector are performing on a positive side. But what has happened? अगर बात करें आप जो festive season में expert ने किया था कि after Deepavali and Durga Puja, we have to see how the trend goes and how the virus, किस तरह की वायरस बढ़ती है. तो उस टाइम पे तो कोई केसेस आई नहीं, बट अभी जो देखा गया है जिस तरह से बिहेवियर्स पब्लिक्स ने रखा, that has led to the stop of the virus not bifurcating in India itself. But we have another concern. The present situations की अगर बात करें, that a low number of cases has currently been reported in India, even as the cases are rising as much in Europe and appear largely attributed to the two factors. इंडिया में किस ऐसे फैक्टर की वजह से केसेस कम हुई थी? द फर्स्ट इज सेरो प्रेवलेंस सर्वे दैट हैज़ इंडिकेटेड कि जो मास पॉपुलेशन है कंट्री में वो ऑलरेडी कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरह से प्रोन है, दे आर एक्सपोज टू वायरस एंड दे हैव डेवलप्ड देयर हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. Second, the immunization campaign that has gained approximately Indian adults की बात करें 44% of the adult have been given dual dose. ये double dose से vaccinated patients हैं, and for the single dose we have 82% of the adult population, which is good, but the government has to definitely give more focuses on the vaccination drive. बात करें अभी जो कंटेक्स्ट में जिस एडिटोरियल पे बात की गई है ओमिक्रॉन के बारे में, उस वेरिएंट के क्या क्या कंसर्न है. Now, the new variant of SARS-CoV-19 virus was recently identified in Botswana. This was in southern African countries, and it says that the Omicron variant is a variant of concern, which was confirmed by the WHO. And this region, almost 90% of the sample for the past few weeks have been Omicron variant. तो जितने भी patients मिले हैं उसमें 90% which is Omicron के. But this is a good thing that at least this country were able to identify the new variant, right? अगर इसमें लेट होती तो और ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम बढ़ सकती थी. So this variant has a large number of mutations and there's no reliable estimates that of how much more transmissible Omicron variant could be compared to the previous strain, right? बट ये कहा गया है कि ये ऐसी स्ट्रेन आई हैं जो कि और सभी प्रीवियस स्ट्रेन से काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई होंगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. तो डेल्टा वेरिएंट से भी इसको ऊपर देखा जा रहा है. Addressing the variant, what need to be done, how it has to be addressed. So there's very little information as of now with the expert about this Omicron variant, which is like to severe form of COVID-19, both vaccinated में और unvaccinated individuals में ये दोनों को impact कर सकती है. Now, what is unusual at this large number of mutation that the Omicron variant has accumulated, right? When the virus goes from one country to another, the level of mutations also changes and increases. Now, there is a consequences of chronic infection in the immunocompromised patients and such one infected with HIV. ऐसे patients जिनकी immunity काफ़ी कम है या फिर वैसे patients जो HIV के patients हैं उन लोगों में infection बहुत high rate से आ सकती है. A strong immune response can ultimately eliminate the virus, right? Now, while a number of nations has already closed their door to South Africa, epidemiologists ने कहा है कि still we have to take the measures and temporary relief के लिए ये अच्छी है, but we have to take vaccination drive to more. सिर्फ फ्लाइट बंद करने से एक temporary, एक short term relief मिलेगी. So it seems that likely that case has already been crossed within the border and these have been detected. तो इसराइल में भी कुछ केसेस रिपोर्ट किए गए हैं. इवन in today's newspaper, if you have read, you have find that the patient from Mumbai who has traveled via Delhi and he was coming from South Africa was also diagnosed with positive, right? तो कुछ cases इंडिया में भी हैं and they are under surveillance. So we have to see how concrete and strict action government is following in context of this. Now, promoting vaccination, the only and only solution that we can have. So as long as virus circulate, the possible remain that the new variant could emerge. And the best option to reduce the cases is to have a vaccination, which is still a powerful tool. Even जो लोगों को सिंगल डोज मिली है वो भी बहुत हद तक उनकी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की चांसेस कम होगी, एंड दोज विद द डबल डोज ऑफ द वैक्सीनेशन वुड बी ऑन अ सेफर साइड, स्टिल ऑन अ सेफर साइड, बट दे कैन अगेन गेट इन्फेक्शन, री इन्फेक्शन उनको हो सकती है बट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत शायद ना पड़े. However, the current inequality in the vaccine distributions means the control that reach out to more lower and middle income countries, like those countries which do not have ample number of vaccine supplies, वो country अभी भी काफ़ी prone है इस नए variant की. While many rich countries are also arranging the booster shots to safeguard their population. So country like Germany, basically जो United States हैं, इन सारे countries ने already booster shots की बात कही है. Now, what conclusion can be made? How we can prevent this? So, equity and distribution of vaccine is an urgent global public health need, जिसके लिए कोवैक्स प्रोग्राम भी बनाई गई है, and it's quite apart being ethically and morally right to do so. So, this is to save the humanity not only in specific country but across the world. And at present, there is enough study that found that the variant is truly unstable and potent risk है काफी ज़्यादा. So, but all the thing that is required that we have to prepare adequately. जो uncertainty है future की वो हमें समझनी पड़ेगी. We have to ask our people to get vaccinated. We have to improve our vaccination drive, and at the same time, each and every individual need to be aware about this new variant, and they have to follow all the protocol that is essentially given by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So this is all about the conclusion. Moving ahead with the MCQ questions of the day. Before I proceed with the question, just to tell you the answers of Saturday question. तो Saturday के जो सवाल थे उसके पहले क्वेश्चन के आंसर है C, and for the second question the correct option is A. Today's MCQ, Making Peace with Nature, has been recently published by which among the following organization? This is United Nations Program, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, Food and Agriculture Organizations, World Wildlife Fund for Nature. So if you know the correct answer, do let me know in the comment section down below. Second, vertical launch short range surface to air missile. इनके दो ऑप्शंस हैं. It is indigenously developed by DRDO. It is capable of neutralizing aerial threat close range, including the sea aiming targets. So you have to choose the correct option and write that in the comment section down below. So do participate, write your answer in the comment section, and this participation will help you to revise more and more current affairs question. So this was all about the daily news and editorial analysis followed by the MCQs. If you have any other concern, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist you. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching.